The most important dance festival of the Jaintia tribe, the Behdienkhlam, or the chasing away of the Demon of Cholera, is celebrated annually in the month of July after the sowing period. The celebration is an invocation to God, seeking his blessings for a bumper harvest. Those who attended the final day of the festival held on the 14th of July 2022 included the Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and Culture, Government of India Arjun Ram Meghwal, the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court Sanjeev Banerjee, the MP of the Rajya Sabha Dr. Wanway Roy Kharlukhi, the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Medba Lingdo, the Director General of Police Meghalaya Dr. Lajja Ram Bishnoi, Cabinet Ministers Sanbor Shilai and Karmen Shila, State President of the BJP Meghalaya Ernest Mauri, the President of Senraj Joai O.R. Chalam, the General Secretary of the Senraj A. Sumer, officers of various government departments of the state, the Doloi, the Langdo and the Wahetchnong of the Raj besides others. After a period of 2 years of restrictions due to the pandemic, once again the people of the Jaintia Hills of Meghalaya were able to celebrate this year's Behdienkhlam festival with pomp and gaiety. This year's celebration is also to commemorate 50 years of statehood of Meghalaya and also the 75th year of India's independence. Altogether, 13 tazias or tabuts were displayed at the sacred pond of Siem before they were finally immersed.